here, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome for the first time if you're new. Obviously this is going out to our paid members first, and then I will release it shortly before Penny Day publicly. But a couple warnings before we get into this. We have our new puppy, and I cannot leave him in another room without me, so Toby's probably going to be bouncing around. I apologize. And I also woke up this morning sicker than ever. I have no idea what happened, and so I am on cold medicine, and it makes me very loopy, loopier than normal. So I apologize for that in advance too. So Blue Dot toys. I know a lot of people have already lost hope in Blue Dot toys, and I'm here to tell you, stop it. Okay, Blue Dot toys are still out there. So most of our Blue Dot toys are from S21 or F21, which S means summer, F means fall. And I forgot to bring a toy up with him, and now he's going to chew on my hand. So, and most are actually even older than that, because if you pay attention, they're actually back from like 2018, 19, 20, and then were DG recycled in 2021. So some stores, yeah, they may have already sold out of them, but a lot of stores, because they are older and they don't typically sell out of them, when they get the new toys in, then they push all the old toys back. So whether it's they're in the, at the very back of the shelves behind the new toys, or they put them up on the sky shelves, or just found random places throughout the store to put them. So they are very, very likely to still be out there. But yes, it all depends on the store. Now, if you cleared out a store for the clearance sale, then obviously I wouldn't put that at the top of your list. But I was surprised once I went to 3 other stores that I hadn't been in for a bit, and they're actually, all 3 of them are only 4 or 5 years old. So I really didn't know the chances, Toby, of me even finding them at all. And I found quite a bit. So just make sure that you remember that you've got to look everywhere. And in this video, I'm actually showing you first one of the stores I was in that I found the most, and all the different places I found them all over the store. Like, they're everywhere, okay? And then we're also obviously visuals, UPCs, but I'm also going to show you how I get my list ready to research stores if I can't physically get my eyes on them, okay? So hopefully this video helps you to find more Blue Dot toys, and I don't get my arm chewed off. And right now, with them being 70% off, this is a great time to research, to scope out your stores, and especially in the app too, because 70% off is an odd-ish number. So usually the prices, stand out a little bit more. So good luck, everybody. And fingers crossed, these babies will get moved to 90% soon and get on that dang penny list. All right. Peace, love, pennies, and I got way too big of a puppy. I do not own the copyrights to any music you may hear. So make sure when it comes to our Blue Dot toys, you are looking everywhere. I already went through the actual where the toys are. This whole, all of these pony sets are Blue Dot. And then I see more toys on the other side, and it's where the totes are. And I didn't find any in their regular stuff, but I bet they don't even know this is still back here. Yes, come on, Blue Dot. And other side, so we have Yellow Star, but I see Blue Dot baby. Yeah, toys everywhere. And this is usually what happens, because the toys are so old, they get moved to top shelves, they get moved to corners of stores, they get, all over the place, because then they're trying to bring in all the new. So, oh, that's Blue Dot. The baby shark's Blue Dot. There's another baby shark. I wonder if that's our other magic nursery doll. I'm going to check those. Then also down there, there's ones up top there, like in the middle of toilet paper. And we'll keep going, because there's more up there. I mean, and all of that. Toys, toys. Like, holy cannoli. I haven't been to this store forever, so. Oh, did I mention I don't own the copyrights of any music you may hear? And about the school section. Goodness. I interrupt this video because I forgot to talk about something. I know I touched on this in part 1 of the Blue Dot, but I want to make sure everybody understands how much you're going to run into this. So, yes, you are going to see identical toys. Identical toys. But they're going to have a different, whatever. It's a yellow star, or it's a yellow dot, or it's a blue star. Sorry, Toby's in the background squeaking a toy. But the UPCs are not going to be the same. And when you look at that date, remember I said we're looking for 21s. So whether it's S21, F21, or somewhere on the back, it will show a year for like a manufacturer date. The newer versions, you're going to see, like I said, yellow star, blue star, yellow dot. But they're going to be different UPCs. They're going to be different years. And they're going to be full price. This is DG recycling. This is why you see so many items that you're like, this is the same thing, but they changed the color dot or they changed the symbol. They in the store didn't change it. That is how Dollar General works. And that is how they handle all of these items that they have in their warehouses that are out of date. So then they just slap a new label on it and, oh, it's new and not improved. The best thing is to get your eyes on your stores ahead of time. But how do I search all of these stores when I can't actually get to them physically? And I know that I have stressed and many stressed that the app is not correct, the inventory is not correct, but I have used the app, obviously, to penny and clearance shop now for whatever, 4 years, 5 years. And clearly something's correct or else I wouldn't be able to find the, items that I find. So I kind of look at it as far as the big picture. So I look at the number of items that are showing a price, that are showing in stock. But I take into consideration, I give it a 50-50 chance. But what I've done, obviously, is I add every single Blue Dot toy that I have, get it entered into my list. And then I just go from store to store and I scroll and I check to see, okay, who's showing prices and in stock. I do screenshots and then I make my list. So this store, for example, is actually the store I was in when I got a ton of those visuals. And as I'm going through it, now it's showing like our princess dolls. Yep, those were there. This little Sweeties baby doll, it was also there because that's where I got the visual, but it's showing a price, $1.50, out of stock. It's not out of stock. So I really do, and I know it may sound a little crazy, and this is not foolproof, but this is just my experience, what I have done in order to find stores with the goodies. So I pay attention to anything showing a price. So when it's all zeroed out, then I basically ignore it. But when I am showing multiple prices and I'm showing quantities in stock, then I will take that as, okay, they have it or they've had it, they still have it, there's a chance. Now, when I look at some stores, most of this is all going to be zeros. So they're not going to go to the top of my list. That's going to be one I'm going to try to get eyes on. But when I see lots of prices and quantities, then they're going to go on my list as, okay, this is a store I need to hit and I need to be looking everywhere. So as you can see, this store is showing quite a few prices. Now, yeah, there's plenty of zeros too. But we're going to look at another one, and this one, I know because I've been in it that it's got plenty, but also even looking at this, I would have picked this store as one to check on Penny Day for sure because of all the prices that are showing. So let's go ahead and check out another one. Number 2. First off, I want to show you, as I put in our UPC for our little lava lamp, and you can't tell it here, it's like a slime, but this one with the Blue Dot UPC, it actually shows a yellow star. So if you see that slime lava lamp looking thing and it's got a yellow star, I would still be checking it. So store number 2, this is a store that I know had a good bit of Blue Dot toys, but I haven't been there recently. So I'm just kind of checking it out. It is a close one that I'll be able to check. But
I did lie. I did not get all the puzzles put in. And if I remember correctly, this store had a ton of the puzzles. But as you can see, a lot of zeros. And then, well, sure enough, there we go. There's our puzzle. Oh, there's our My Little Pony that I just found out is excluded. Okay, so there's puzzles. I see the LOL surprises. They had those. More puzzles. Now, I know there was a hidden one because that's where I had scanned it originally. Candyland is showing a price. Lots of zeros. More Baby Shark. Okay, there. It's our Paw Patrol. Because even though in the picture, it actually shows a blue dot on the top of it, mine doesn't have prices on it. Mine does not have a blue dot. So that's where I originally found that one when blue dot originally went down in price. So I know they have those. But then, as you can see, I mean, there's just a lot of zeros. So, you know, will I check this store? For sure. Would it make it in my top 5 for Penny Day? No, it would not. We want to see definitely more prices. This is way too many zeros. But even with that said, that does not mean I couldn't walk in this store right now and find 22 items. You know, obviously not at a penny, but so that's just basically kind of how I do it. I've done it like this for a long time, so take it however you'd like, but hopefully it'll at least give you some guidance, and I guess that's what I look at it for. I don't count on it being 100% correct. I don't count on it being 75% correct, but I do use it definitely as a guide.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, try to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going lower. I'm riding high and it just goes up. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Feeling like a top-down summer. I've been on the rise since I come up. No, I don't gotta try, I'm a natural stunner. Hitting home runs like a baseball runner. Yeah, I just go up, never coming down. Good things show up, got me saying wow. Glowing so bright, I'm going lower. I'm riding high and it just goes up. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round like. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Yeah, I'm feeling good and yeah, I'm feeling great. Every time I look around, it's like it's in my face. Yeah, nothing in this world is taking that away. 'Cause my people are my people, I'm not running in your race. But I run real hard like a track star. I don't gotta run hard just to get far. 'Cause I work real hard, but then I play harder. That's how I know that I'ma get farther. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, whoa.